Hello, welcome to Developer Environment. I am Sohel Khan. This is part 1 of C# namespace. In this tutorial, we will discuss about what is namespace and how to declare a namespace. A namespace is nothing but collection of types. What are the types? Types are nothing but collection of classes, enums, structs, delegates, and interfaces. Here you might be wondering what are the classes, enums, structs, delegates and interfaces. We will discuss about in a very great detail in a later session. Until that we will continue with namespace. Okay, now how the namespace is collection of types. Let's look at an example. Okay, here we have some squares, one of them big square and these all are small squares. This one big square is acting as a namespace, but these all small square are acting as a types, which is nothing but classes, delegates, enums, structs and interfaces. Okay, now the question is that what the namespace is doing here. The namespace is collecting these all types, which is nothing but classes, delegates, enums, structs and interfaces. That's why you can say the namespace is a collection of the types. Okay, now how to declare a namespace. To declare a namespace we'll perform three tasks. First of them, declare a keyword to the namespace. Second of them, declare a meaningful name to the namespace. And third of them, declare a body to the namespace. What is keywords, meaningful name, body, we will discuss about in a bit. Okay, first let's understand what is keywords. Keywords are predefined and reserved identifier. Those have a special meaning to the compiler. In other words, you can say the keywords are already present in the .NET class library. And what is the keyword of the namespace, which is nothing but a namespace. Now what is the meaningful name, which name is not present in the .NET class library is called a meaningful name. In other words, you can say you can assign any name to the namespace instead of keywords. And third of them, how to declare a body. We can declare a body to the namespace with the help of two curly braces, which is nothing but mathematical curly braces. Okay, how do we do that? Let me fire up the Visual Studio. Go to start menu, all programs, Microsoft Visual Studio 2012. Finally click Visual Studio 2012. Go to file, new, click to project, select Visual C Sharp, then select console application, and finally assign a name to the to the console application. Name space 1. Then finally click OK. Okay, this is my code editor window. Also we have some code here. Okay, let me get rid of this all code to make you understand easily. Okay, now we have a blank code editor window. Okay, let me declare a keyword to the namespace, which is nothing but a namespace. Simply type namespace NAM. Okay, now now we'll declare a name to the namespace. Okay, let me do one thing. If I let me assign a keyword as a namespace. Name space. Okay, if I assign a keyword as a name to the namespace, what's gonna happen here? The compiler shows an error. Okay, if I hover my mouse over the namespace, what's gonna happen here? The tooltip window shows that the identifier expected namespace is a keyword. In other words, you can say you cannot assign a keyword as a name to the namespace. Okay, let me get rid of this keyword. Let me assign a meaningful name to the keyword, to the namespace, sorry. Name space 1. Okay, now we'll declare a body to the namespace. How do we do that? We can declare a body to the namespace with the help of two curly braces. One of them open curly brace and second of them close curly brace. Okay, this one, this open curly brace identify that your body start from here, and second of them close curly brace. This close curly brace shows that your body ends here. Okay, Now we have declared a body to the namespace. Okay, how do we use the body of the namespace? Let me go to previous example. Okay, here we have namespace which is containing these all types. Now the question is that where the namespace is containing these all types, the namespace containing these all type in the code block. What is code block? Code block is nothing but a body of the namespace. Okay, now we are done. Thank you for watching. Please visit to my website developenvironment.com to find more videos.